So I think the number one most important thing that turned it into a legitimate business was developing my first product and selling my first product.
Awesome. So
which
which one was your first product? Yeah.
when I went to make my first product, it was actually color grading LUTs. They're called LUTs, which stands for
Yep.
lookup table. It's like a way, it's like a preset color filters for video, which were, the Photoshop thing originally was like 100 different color effects, but just for photos. I reworked it and I pared it down to like the top 20, 25-ish. I think
I
it's
love that.
21.
Like your best ones, right? Like, yeah.
That was my first product I released. And like you were saying earlier, the first sale moment, I clearly remember.
Yeah.
I was driving. I think I went to the gym or something, and I was sitting in the cafe at the gym, and I checked my phone after I launched the product, and I saw like the order screen, like, you know, someone bought your thing, and I went with $49.99 for my packs that I do.
Right.
And that's kind of the price that I've stuck with. That first sale is crazy. It's like, okay, it just also felt like free money, even though it wasn't.
It almost feels like stealing. It's like, is someone gonna come take this from me? Like, you know what I mean? It's like, yeah.
The cool thing about digital products is that there's no shipping, there's no restocking, there's PayPal fees, and there's, you know, my website hosting fees and my servers. But, you know, for the most part, it's like going straight to me. Yeah, you could just watch my video and do it if you want. That's nice. So people don't have to buy it if they don't have the money or they're just starting. But if you want to save the time of going through, you know, hundreds of videos and doing step by step, which, you know, time is money for a lot of people in their video production. I do think this is a good product and it's fair and it's worth it. And so I think all in all, it's like a win-win.